triple A. Credits are right. Hang up the phone and let your heart break on the internet.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be joined by Michael Sasser and Irene Rudnyk, who are both extremely talented photographers and YouTubers. I'm going to link them down below, so make sure to check them out if you haven't yet. And we are going to be walking around Venice Beach taking photos of some really cute puppies. Irene did a similar video on her channel some time ago, so make sure to check it out. And before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button to not miss any of my future uploads. And let's get right into the video. Hey Lucy, how are you? Oh, hello. So for this photo shoot, we ended up using the Sony a7 III that Irene has, and that's because it has the pet face detection or the eye detection, and it works pretty well, I have to say. I think if we were to use my Canon 5D Mark IV, we would have struggled with the focus because the dogs move quite fast. They don't really sit still, they move around, so you have to act very fast, and with the autofocus being so efficient, it definitely helped a lot. However, I'll say it did have problems picking up the eyes when the dog was black and it had black eyes, because obviously it wasn't that much of a difference in colors and the face detection struggled a tiny bit. It would have picked up the nose usually, but other than that, with any other dogs that weren't black on black, it usually worked pretty well and the focus was on point, which was a massive help. Oh, okay, I'll leave you alone. You're beautiful. Yes. Can I take one more? Just like that? No. You're like, no, leave me alone. Thank you so much.
His name's Albie. He's not that friendly, so maybe not touch him, but
okay.
he loves other dogs.
Oh, there you go. It's a pity I'm not another dog. Hey. Hey, baby. Oh, hi.
You're a bugger. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, he's the most non-camera shy so far. Oh, what's his name again?
Albie.
Albie.
Yeah, Albie. He was being good.
Oh.
He's probably used to me always taking selfies, maybe.
Oh,
Hey, Albie.
Albie, thank you. Can I take a photo? Oh. Hey, babies. Oh. Hey, baby. Oh, you poor thing. Oh, Zoe. Hey, Zoe. You're beautiful. Yes. Oh, let's see what we have. Do we have something? Oh, we have. Oh, yes. Oh, you're so pretty. Thank you so much. I think it's really cute. I think the biggest issue is the puppies being shy, the camera shy. I don't have problems taking photos of dogs. If it was portraits of people, I would be terrified, but because it's tiny little puppies, I'm so excited and they're so cute.
So my normal genre is boudoir, and this is going to be a little bit different than that, I think.
Same thing.
It's pretty much the same thing.
Same thing, just 4 legs instead of 2.
the dogs.
It is completely naked.
The dogs are wearing about the same amount of clothes, actually.
And you can't tell them to be sexy.
Nailed it. Got it. That's perfect. I think we really had a connection, you know, that dog and I, we just like looked in each other's eyes and he was like, get away, but like in a loving way, in a way that was like, I enjoy your presence. What are their names? Mason and Cooper. Mason and Cooper.
Oh my goodness.
Which one sheds less? Is that one shed?
Just a little bit more, but this is less. It's probably good hair. The more the hair is curlier in this side.
One more. Look at this guy. Perfect. Nailed it. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this is an A7 III.
Chico. Chico is. Come here, Chico. Oh.
Here, I'll give you a
Nailed it.
This is a
Cute.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
Yeah, have fun, you guys.
Thank you. That's tricky. It's funny because like the smaller dogs are harder to shoot because they're like darting around, and also their faces are so much smaller. There's like less of them to shoot, but I feel pretty good about what we got. Did I snap? I don't usually do that, but it just felt right in the moment.
Today we are in day 2. We didn't end up finishing the challenge the first day because we were running out of light. So we are here at this beautiful park in LA, close to Hollywood. I am going to be shooting on the Sony a7 III, same as the other day, because it has the eye detection for dogs, which is very helpful. But I'm going to be shooting on my 24-70 with an adapter because we don't have the 35 anymore because it was Michael's. And Irene is going to be shooting on her 51.2, also with an adapter because they're both Canon lenses. And yeah, let's get right into it.
Here, sit down.
Oh, you're so
He's
cute.
puppy right now.
Do you mind just having her, or is it him?
Yeah.
Is it a boy? Okay, just like sitting beside your foot. Or like standing. Yeah. Yes, that's it, yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my God, you're adorable.
If you ask him if he's hungry, he'll do a little head tap.
Oh my God, you hungry? Are you hungry?
Bear.
Bear, are you hungry? Woohoo. Okay, I got it. That was so cute. Thank you. You're so beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
We got it. We got it. Wow, she's gorgeous.
Thank you.
What's your name?
His name, Finn.
Finn.
You're beautiful, Finn. Wow. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
That's Luna.
That's Luna?
Luna, yeah.
I have a Luna as well, but a little Pomeranian.
No kidding.
Oh, you like the pet? Come here. Oh. Okay, I'm hurting you all.
Her legs, like, yeah, just like that. Hey, Luna. Hey, Luna. Oh my goodness, Luna. Oh, Luna. Yeah. There we go. Yes. Okay, I think I got it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so cute. You're adorable. Hey. What's his name?
Mika.
Alright, hang up the phone and let your heart break on the inner lane. 24.
Mika. You're so pretty. I got it. Thank you so much. What's her name?
Laika.
Laika.
Names are similar.
Laika.
Yeah, exactly.
That's awesome. Laika. She's found something very interesting on the floor.
Working hard, he wants you to return his love. Now he's beating diamonds on you.
Oh, there you go. Just one more. Look at me, Laika. Oh, okay. We got it.
so much.
Thank you. Is it a boy or girl?
Boy.
Is it a boy? What's his name?
Henry.
Henry. Oh my goodness. Wow, Henry. Wow, so good, so well behaved. Look at that.
Leash is off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash.
Okay, Henry, one more picture.
Hey, Henry. Hi. How are you doing?
Okay, just one more. Oh, that's perfect. All right, I got it. Thank you so much.
I think the biggest obstacle when taking photos of the dogs was to try to get them to sit still and to look into the camera. Obviously, they didn't really know who we were and they wanted to just go for walkies and just enjoy their day. So I think it was definitely a challenge. We made the mistake of not having treats or toys. So I would definitely recommend for you guys to get them if you are out and about trying to take photos like that, because it will definitely make your job way easier.
But he's not the one who goes away.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh my goodness, that's perfect. Thank you so much. Marty, you are beautiful. Oh my goodness. What breed is he?
He's a Bernedoodle.
Oh my.
Hey, can you sit? Sit. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
You are so happy.
Got enough on your plate, he's not the one, babe.
Oh, look at you. You look like you're smiling. Oh, hi. Hello. You just prefer pets? Yeah. You're like, I'm not a model. Oh, he's like, he's going.
around.
He's going. I think I have it. Thank you.
It's his birthday today.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, sit down. Sit down.
What's his name?
Bernard.
Oh, Bernard. Hey,
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Sit down.
Okay, I'll shoot this way.
Hey, sit down.
Bernard,
There.
come here.
Sit down. I don't think so anymore. Sit.
Do you want me to hold the treat? Will that help? Or will he just jump on top of me?
Sit down.
It's his birthday.
Well,
He
yeah.
doesn't have to behave.
He can't cry if he wants to. There we go.
Hey, Bernard. Hey, puppy. Hey, oh my god. Oh, look at you. Okay, thank you. That's
You're so
beautiful.
welcome,
Thank
thanks.
you. Hey, puppy. It's like a portrait of you. Oh my goodness. Can you put it a bit lower? I don't mind if anything drips. It's fine. We gotta get the shot. Oh my god, amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's his name?
Merle.
Merle.
Like Merle Haggard.
Oh, thank you. It's a her, Mia. Hey, Mia. Can I take a photo of you?
Mia, sit. Sit. Sit.
Oh, hey. Hey, Mia. Oh. Hey, Mia. Mia. Oh, you're beautiful. I love your hairstyle. You are amazing. Hey, hey, puppy.
Oh my god, we're just getting the prettiest girls here.
I know. Hey, hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey. One thing that I definitely noticed is that nobody said no to us when we asked them to take photos of their pets. Regardless if they were busy, if they were in a rush, they would always say yes and help us to pose the dog. I feel like it's more of a pride thing where they want their beautiful pup to be photographed and to be in the video. They were pretty happy to do that. They would talk to us and tell us about their pet. And I thought it was a really, really nice experience.
She's like, more?
She's like, more?
Can I have more?
Can I have it? Oh, okay. Can I? Hey, baby. Oh my goodness. Okay, are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Go to the dog park. Oh. Thank you. She's like, I want more. Nacho, is your name Nacho? Oh my goodness. Hi, Nacho. Oh, I love corgis. Oh, Nacho. Hey. Oh. He's so excited. Let me try.
Maybe he needs to poop. I don't know. Oh no, he has to pee. Hold on.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Hey, Nacho. Hey, Nacho. Hey, baby.
Nacho, can you sit? Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes.
He's like, leave me alone. Okay, he's ready. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That's okay. Thank you.
He's like,
Thanks, Nacho. Go. Can I take a photo of you? Hey, buddy. Oh.
Can you sit?
He's like, no.
Sit. Can you sit?
Oh, hey, baby. Oh, you're beautiful. Come here. Hey, baby. Hey, Rocco. Oh,
Right here, Rocco.
Rocco.
He's obsessed with the squirrel that lives in that tree.
Oh my God. You're beautiful. Thank you, Rocco. Thank you so much. Hey, buddy. Buddy. Oh my goodness. You are beautiful. You are so well behaved. Is
his name actually Buddy?
Bodhi.
Bodhi. Hey Bodhi. Oh, hey Bodhi, you're beautiful. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the photos. Let me know which puppy did you like the most. They were all so cute. How did you guys enjoy it? Did you like it?
Oh yeah, I've done this before and like I absolutely love this.
How about you?
Who doesn't like puppies?
Exactly.
My first time taking pictures of dogs, so I feel good about it.
Are you switching?
I think I may just sell all of my, I may leave my studio and just like hit the road.
Fair? Fair? Okay, so that's it for today. Let me know which photos you like the most in the comments down below. Make sure to check the guys out. I'm going to link them down below. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time.